Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I am Nikhil, I am Men's Image Consultant. Welcome to another video from Bravo Man. If you haven't subscribed to my channel guys, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon. Please do follow me on my Facebook page, which is Bravo Man Image Consultant, and my Instagram ID is also Bravo Man Image Consultant. So please guys do follow and show some love. Guys, jacket is a statement piece and it is a must-have in every man's closet. But the choice of jacket is very subjective and it differs from individual to individual. Jacket is a worthy investment, but it can only become a worthy investment when you understand these two main important aspects. Number one is a versatility and number two is the quality. These are the most important things which you really have to remember while buying a good jacket for yourself. Versatility means something which is more classic, which is more timeless, which is which is understated, but you really get an opportunity to wear it again and again, and you can have a maximum return on investment. And the second one, focusing on quality over quantity, is a style principle which everyone should abide by. Do not ever focus on quantity, always focus on quality before purchasing or buying any jacket for yourself. Gentlemen, so log these two main golden rules before purchasing any jacket. So today in this video, I'm gonna give you my 5 must-have jackets in every man's closet. So stay tuned and let's get in the video. Number one on my list is a sports jacket or a blazer. Now this sports jacket or a blazer is a necessity in every man's closet. This can make and turn any of your outfit dressier instantly. So you can pair this and you can dress any of the outfit up. A blazer is a complete versatile jacket in any man's closet. The speciality and the difference in between a blazer and a suit is, so your blazer is especially built without any padding underneath. It can easily turn any of your outfit dressier instantly. The most important thing, why is it so versatile, is because you get varieties of colors, you get varieties of pattern, so you can choose and opt for anyone as per you like. If you are looking forward to invest in first blazer for yourself, then I would always choose something which is a navy color, a black color, or a checkered or a gray, ash gray color. So these three, just remember these three colors and you can pick any of these because it's very easy to pair these colors with any of your outfit. Last but the most important thing about a blazer, it is the fit of a blazer. Always focus on the right fit of a blazer because that will instantly help you look sexier. Guys, wearing a blazer instantly makes a style statement, so always invest in a good blazer for yourself. Number 2 on my list is ta-da, a Harrington jacket. Guys, this is one of the classic, my personal favorite, and the best of the jacket which every man should have it in his own closet. This jacket, it is really amazing guys because it really bridges the gap in between a formal and a casual wear. Guys, this jacket is made back in 1930s and it gets its name Harrington from a character which was been played by Ryan O'Neal in a daily soap back in 1930s called as Peyton Place, and the character name was Rodney Harrington. Gentlemen, this jacket is a complete iconic, it's a timeless fashion piece. Famous world's greatest icons have been really spotted wearing this jacket. So guys, this is one of its kind jacket and it is an amazingly and absolutely versatile jacket. The speciality about the jacket is it creates a very classy, elegant and still a masculine look whenever you wear this jacket. The best part about this jacket is this jacket originates from UK and it's primarily known as a golfer jacket, but one of its kind, a class apart jacket. Every man should have this particular jacket because it is a right blend of a casual as well as a formal look, and you can absolutely dress it up as well as you can dress it down. Now, when you look forward for the colors for a Harrington jacket, so you can choose colors from navy, black, gray, light gray, or a beige. These four are the colors which you can pair it seamlessly with any of your outfit. And the last thing, but the most important, always look forward for a perfect fit of this jacket, because these jackets are ready-made. So it is important to get a right fit which suits you. Number 3 is the big daddy of all the jackets, which is called as a leather jacket. Now, you talk about leather and you always, the first thing which strikes you is the masculinity, the ruggedness and the macho look. Whenever we see and whenever we think about a leather jacket, we always think about those cult look, the biker boys, and it's a very manly feel attached to a leather. Guys, nothing can add more masculinity than wearing a smart and a very basic simple leather jacket, because it absolutely stands apart and it really adds a different persona in your entire outfit. So investing in a good leather jacket is really important, because it will again stay with you for like decades. Guys, just remember one thing: keep it simple, very basic, minimalistic style, keep it very edgy, seamless, and that's how you really can pair that particular jacket on any of your outfit. When I talk about leathers, guys, a basic thumb rule: stick to these two colors, black or brown. Trust me guys, I guess nothing can add a persona the way a leather jacket can do it, because it really creates magic when you wear it. But the only one particular thing which I would always say is look out for a less distressed pattern. Keep it simple, and there are varieties of options and varieties of pattern. Keep it simple and look classy in a good leather jacket. Guys, I hope you are enjoying this video. If you have any comments regarding leather, what do you think about a leather jacket? And I don't know, I mean, what do you own one jacket, or which is the pattern? So please do mention in the comments below. I would really love to hear it from you. Number 4 on my list is a bomber jacket. Guys, now this is a bare basic which every man should have it in his own closet. Guys, you can never ever go wrong with a bomber jacket. It's basically a casual outfit, but you can even dress it up as well as you can even dress it down, and it is so versatile. Gentlemen, we all know that this jacket is a heritage from armed forces. Bomber jacket is a timeless fashion and a timeless style which have really passed the test of time. Guys, wearing a classy bomber jacket, it really adds to your persona, it really elevates your style quotient, and it really, it puts in, I would say, it really stands out, and it's a very classy and a timeless piece. Guys, here is a trick. If you do not want to invest in a different suede leather jacket, invest in a bomber jacket with a suede material. So this is the one which I am wearing, because it can blend in a bomber style and a suede material. So it is, it's a very classy blend in both the things. So you do not have to pick both the jackets together. So you can save some money. And guys, you need to have one of these, because it is a must have in every man's closet. Number 5 on my list is, oh, there is no magic, I'm already wearing the jacket. Yes, it's a denim jacket. Guys, this is like, I would say, the way we have jeans, the same way it is a must have in everyone's closet. I wouldn't say just a man's closet, but everyone should have one denim jacket in their closet, period. Guys, these are a cropped vest pattern, and these are one of the most classic but also the most casual amongst the entire lot of the jackets. The best thing in styling this jacket is always keep it less distressed, less pattern, no patch, no logos. Keep it simple, and either go with either darker shades or a medium lighter shades like this, because it is easy to pair and it is the most versatile as well, but it's only on the casual wear versatility. You can pair it with t-shirts, you can sometimes pair it with a good shirt, or you can even wear a tie and a shirt, but it is, again, I'm repeating myself, it's the most casual jacket in the entire 5 jackets which I have mentioned. the most important thing in styling this jacket is always prefer a contrast color whenever you want to pair this jackets with any of your bottoms or any denims, especially chinos and jeans, which I'm talking about. Do not go with a darker jacket on a darker denims or a lighter jacket on a lighter denims. Always play with contrast. The contrasting of a jacket and styling a jacket is really important. So if you really want to elevate your style, always contrast this jacket. Keep it less distressed, as I said, less pattern, no logos, and you can rock this jacket anytime whenever you wear it. Guys, so these are my 5 list of jackets which every man should own and should have it in his closet. What do you feel? What do you think about this list? Do mention in the comments below. If you want to add or if you want to subtract something, or if you have a different list, please, I would really love to hear it from you. I hope you love this video and I hope you are really enjoying the videos which I keep on posting. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs. If you love it, please guys do share it with your friends and family, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, look great, feel fantastic, and always rock these jackets whenever you wear it. Stay classy, stay sexy. Ciao.